Good evening.
Right. So last class, what we have discussed?
About CSS
Types of
properties,
CSS.
Types of CSS.
Right. So you have started CSS things, and I explained color codes, background color, and other small cases, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
I hope everything is clear. So let me start with the second thing. Right. Second thing simply is your CSS box model property. Okay. Let me share my screen first. So next is our CSS box model thing, right? So my screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So let me explain this box model, how it will segregated. Okay. So I'll explain it in print. So first initially, so please mute your mic, everyone. Everyone mute your mics. Right. So now specifically what you are going to do in the sense, I'm going to explain the box model property, how it will segregated in using the paint. Okay. For example, first one, it will be like content. Okay, so this is our content, like which we are adding using the HTML thing. It can be anything like paragraph, heading, image, okay, or table heading tag, table heading tag content, table row content, form field content, form field label tag, any contents, right? Any content you can take it. Okay, the space around the content. What the thing? The space around the content is called as padding. Is called as padding space. So this space alignment is very important. So please listen carefully. Okay, the space around the content is called as padding space. Understood, right? And then this padding space and then specific content will be included within the border, within the border, within the border. That means like the border will be applied for the including of the content as well as the padding space of the content, as well as the padding space of the content. Now final step, final spacing alignment is your margin. Final space alignment is your margin. So margin in the sense the space around the entire content, space around the entire content or entire component or entire element. Okay, that can be including the border space, padding space, and then content space. Okay, so entire thing will be covered, and then it will apply for the margin space. Okay, simply in our sample page, okay, you can see for this table. Okay, so table we are having border also, inside we are having content also, and then around the content we can keep padding space also. Around the content we can keep padding space also. Okay, so first let me going to explain the padding space initially. Going to explain the padding space initially. Okay, so we are having the one property called padding. So it will take one value also, two value also, three value also, and four values also in pixels. In pixels, generally like first value is pixel, we can take in percentage also, and then some other REM values also, EM values also, we can able to take it, but generally beginning level use pixels. Okay, so what is that one value, what are the two values, what are the three values, four values? Let me explain that. The space means around the four sides. Okay, four different sides. For example, top, right, bottom, and left. Four different sides we are having. So for that four sides, we need to give the spaces. For four sides, we need to give the space whenever it is required, wherever it is required. Okay. So this padding property, if I take and then if I give one value, for example 10 pixel, in the sense that 10 pixel will be applied for all the four sides. The 10 pixel will be applied for all the four sides. Okay, and then if I take two value, if I take two value, for example 10 pixel space 20 pixel, for example 10 pixel space 20 pixel if I take in the sense that 10 pixel will be applied for top and bottom, and then 20 pixel will be applied for right and left. Keep it in your mind. If I am taking single value in the sense, it will apply for all four sides. If I take two value in the sense, it will apply for first value, it will apply for top and bottom, and second value, it will apply for right and left. Clear? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Clear,
Okay.
sir.
And then
Yes, sir.
if I take three values, if I take three values, okay, what will happen in the sense? 10 pixel space 20 pixel space 30 pixel, any values. Okay, if I take three value in the sense, first value it will apply for top, first value it will apply for top, second value it will apply for right and left, second value it will apply for right and left, and third value it will apply for bottom, third value it will apply for bottom. Okay, if I take three value in the sense, first value will for top, second value for right and left, third value for bottom. Okay, and then finally if I take four value in the sense, four different sides, four values. Okay, clockwise, top, right, bottom, left. First value for top, second value for right, third value for bottom, fourth value for left. This is how it will. Understood everyone? Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is how it will work. Okay, I will show you the example. Okay, I'm going to keep the padding space for this serial number content. Okay, because it is including border also, so that you can able to understand how the padding space is coming. Okay, so I'm going to take it for the serial number. Go to our code. So I'm going to apply the property inline CSS property padding for this serial number. Okay, style padding. Okay, I'm going to keep, so you can see keep this kind of values, but I'm going to keep only the pixel value. I'm going to keep only the pixel value as of now. Okay, this much values are available, but we are going to take this pixel value only initial stage. Okay, so I'm going to keep 20 pixel. I'm going to keep 20 pixels. So this 20 pixel will be applied for which sides?
Uh, to the top and bottom and right, top and bottom.
Top and bottoms.
I have given only one value. One value,
All sides.
One
All
value means
sir.
the four sides.
all sides.
All sides.
Okay, I have given only one value. One value in the sense it will apply for all the sides, right? I am just refreshing the page. You can see the space around the content 20 pixel. Are you able to see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all the four sides. Okay, now I'm going to apply two values. Going to apply two values. Two value in the sense, first value is for
First
Top and
value is for top and bottom. Second value is for right and left.
right.
yes. First value is for top and bottom. Second value is for right
Right
and
and
left.
left. Yes.
Okay, so you can see right and left. I need to get 50 pixel space. That means compared to this current space, I need to get some little bit larger one. Yes, right. Compared
Yes,
to
sir.
this current space on the left and right side, I need to get some larger space because I have given 50 pixel. Okay, I'm just refreshing the page. You can see right and left. I'm having 50 pixel space. Top and bottom only 20 pixel. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going to take third value. Okay, just 5 pixel. Okay, now tell me first value is for
First
Top,
value for
top one.
top, second value is for
left,
Right and left.
right and left, and
right and
third
left,
value is
third
for
Third is for
bottom.
bottom.
bottom. Now in bottom I need to get only 5 pixel space. Currently it is 20 pixel. The previous case it is 20 pixel. Now I modify it to 5 pixel, which is third value. So I'm just refreshing this. You can see the 5 pixel space is decreased from 20 pixel to 5 pixel. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
right? So this is how it will work. Okay, if I take fourth value means automatically the fourth value will be applied. I'm just taking 3 pixel. 3 pixel in the sense like left side. Automatically left side I will get only 3 pixel. Clear? 4 values, 4 different sides clockwise. First value is for top, second value is for right, third value is for bottom, fourth value is for left. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right? And now this is common property called padding. Okay, you can give different sides. Like for example, if I want to give only for left side, you can use the property called padding hyphen left. If I want to give only top, you can use the property called padding hyphen top. Okay, for example, it will take only one value because it is only one side. I'm just taking top 60 pixel. I'm just taking top 60 pixel. You can see I'm just refreshing the page. Only top 60 pixel. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if I want to give specifically for specific sites in the sense, I can use this padding hyphen left, padding hyphen top, like that I can use it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Any doubt, guys, till now? So
No, sir,
padding
as of
means
now.
space around the content alone. The space around the content. Content means like not separate component. Component means like table. Entire table is a component. And then this entire form is a component. Entire button is a component. Entire paragraph is a component. But space means like only for the content. Okay, if I use padding for h6 means around the h6 alone, around the h6 alone, like that. Space around the only content, text content or some number content or image content or anything. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Likewise, this margin also taking the same case. That means like one value, two value, three value, four values, and then same clockwise, top, right, bottom, left, same case, same procedure. And then it also will take separate for left side, top, right, and bottom side. Okay, but the spacing only different. Okay, because padding means around the content, margin means around the entire content, which is including border, around the entire content, which is include the border. Okay, so I will show you the example for that also. So my table is having border also. For this, I'm going to apply the margin property. I'm going to apply the margin property for this 40 pixel. Okay, I'm just taking 40 pixel, just representing our page. You can see that means the space around the entire content. It will take 40 pixel space. Okay, right side we are having more space, but you can't able to see right side 40 pixel or not. But top, right, left, and bottom you can able to see. Okay, I'm just referencing this. You can see top 40 pixel, left 40 pixel, bottom 40 pixel. Right also it is 40 pixel space is we are having, but it is occupying the entire width of the page, so we can't able to see properly the 40 pixel size. Okay, but if you're having any right side, left side component, you can able to understand that how it is working. Okay, understood, right? So margin space.
Yes,
Everyone,
sir. Yes, sir. I understand.
everyone understood, right? So margin space. So this is simply a space around the entire content. Same procedure. How I explained for padding, same case. One value means four sides, two value means top and bottom, right and left, like that only it will occur. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next, let me come to the border. Okay. Border in our table, we explained only the border property, which is having that specific case called this direct property. Okay, the same thing I'm going to explain it once again. Okay, for something like head 4 content. Okay, or else simply head 3. Going to use inline CSS. Going to use the property called border. Okay, let me explain the border property. What are the values it will take? Okay, it will take first value your border width. It will take first value border width. So border width in the sense like width of the border. Width of the border. Second thing, border style. So which style border I want, like solid line or dashed line or dotted line. So that kind of border means I can able to give the border style in this second value. Third value, it will be border color. Okay, in default, sorry, in default it will be black. Once again. Sorry guys, now my voice is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in default it will take black color. If we want different color, we can give different colors. Okay, so this single border property will take these three different values. Okay, apart from that, we are having separate property, like for border style, if you want to give separately, you are having border style separately. Then border color property, if you want to give separately, you are having border color property. Then border radius, I will tell you what is that border radius. Then border width also we are having separately. And then if I want to give border for specific side, left top or right bottom, for that we can have this border hyphen left, border hyphen right, border hyphen top, and bottom things specifically for this same border property. Okay, so let me have this border. I'm just taking 2 pixel width, then solid border initially. Color will be red color. I'm just making it as red color. Okay, go to our head 3 content. You can see how the border is coming. Are you able to see that?
Sir.
Please 2 pixel with of the border, and then that specific solid border. Then the case will be red color. The color case will be red color. I'm just removing this to understand better. Then I'm just keeping padding also for this content so that the border will visible as much better. Okay, now we can see the border properly, right? Now let me go for the next case. So next case in the sense like different styles, dashed border. Okay, dashed means you will get the dashed border. So this dashed border, if you want to give separately in the sense, I don't want to use border property, I want to give all the values separately in the sense, you can use separate properties. For border style, we are having separate property. Border width, we are having separate property. Border color, separate property. It will take single values. Like border style means solid, dashed, dotted, these things. Border color means red, blue, green, like that you can take. Border width means 2 pixel, 5 pixel, 10 pixel. How many width you want, that many width you can give it. Okay, but initially use the border. It will be very better to understand, better to use also. Instead of writing multiple properties in multiple characters, you can write this single property with border, and then you can reduce the characters in your HTML content. Clear? Fine. So dash and then dotted border. We're having dotted border. So dotted means you will get the dotted border like this. Okay. So are you able to see this right properly?
Sir.
Okay. If you're not able to understand means please ask me. Okay. I will here to help you. But please understand this. Try to
I
work
need
out
a
this
double-lined border. What the tag we have to enter, sir?
double. That's what I'm trying to explain next.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We are having double in the sense double line border. You can see. I will see this right, double line. Okay, double line border, and then grow means like it will be having some opposite pattern. Okay, you can see the dark color and light color, and dark color and light color. Okay, the light color means red color, normal default color, and then that red color will be in the dark color, something like near to brown. So here down automatically it will be in opposite side. Are you able to see that? This will
Sir.
be grow, and then we are having two more styles like inset and then offset. It's also same dark and light color, but opposite sides. You can see top and left dark, right and bottom our default color. Okay, and then we are having one more style called outset. We're having one more set called outset. So outset in the sense automatically opposite to inset. Light color will be top and left, dark color will be bottom and right. Are you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now I want to explain the border radius property. I want to explain that border radius property. So border radius means what? Any idea? Any idea border radius means?
No, sir.
So radius in the sense like these corners are there, right? Top left corner, top right corner, and then bottom left corner, bottom right corner. The corners are there, right? I want to make the corners as curve design. Yes, curve design in the sense I can use border radius property. I can use border radius property to apply the curves. Okay, so if I use common border radius in the sense it will apply for 4 different sides. Border hyphen radius 5 pixel. Here also pixel value only. I'm just taking pixel values. You can see I'm just pressing the page. You can see the corners. Are you able to see that?
Yes, sir.
Corners, how it is curved. Okay. I want to apply the curve for only this specific top left. Only for this specific top left in the sense I can make border hyphen top hyphen left hyphen radius. Border hyphen top hyphen left hyphen radius only will be applied for top left. You can see only for the top left corner the curve is applied. Okay, other corners are its solid corners, default corners. Are you able to see that? Yes, right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then if I want to apply border right, sorry, bottom right, use bottom right. Anything for 4 corners you can use combination of 4 different sides. Okay, the border right in the sense only for this down border. You can see the right side, my cursor. Okay, border right side bottom only we got curve for the specific radius. Understood? Okay, and then last, like if I want to apply the border for specific sides,
Sir, one doubt, sir. Can't we apply any circle border, sir?
circle border means increase the width, increase the border radius width. I will take it for all the things. This is like simply oval shape, and then if I give 50% directly, if I give 50% directly in the sense automatically I will get the circle things. Okay, now my content is occupying the entire width of the page, so we can't able to see the circle properly. Okay, so if I reduce the width of the content, then I can see the specific circle properly. You can see I'm just reducing one more time. I'm just increasing the padding space. Are you able to see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can give the circle things as per your requirement.
Yeah,
Clear?
thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Just increase the values, that's it. It will help you. Okay, and then if you want to apply for separate size, you can use this border left or border right or border top or border bottom properties. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Right. Tomorrow morning I will explain. Everyone started college web pages, right? Okay, so before your logout, please mention like how many pages you have visited. Okay, only with content
Yes,
or
sir.
before your logout, please mention. Okay, totally clear. Totally, how many pages you have completed before your logout? Please mention. Clear, everyone. Okay,
Yes, sir.
thank you all. See you
Okay.
tomorrow morning. Okay, tomorrow morning I will take session 10:30 compulsorily. Okay,
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
thanks.
Okay, sir.